first of all, we're going to start with the base. I've already moisturized, so now I'm going to use foundation and concealer. So I'm just taking it and putting it under my eye and blending it into my skin. So the foundation that I'm using, it's Fit Me Matte and Polished, and I'm the shade Golden Caramel. So I've got the Golden Caramel, I've got the Sun Beige, and I've got the moisturizer, and I'm just going to mix it together. Blend all of this into my skin. We have to make sure that we do it for 265 days. Okay, so now that we've put on our foundation, we've made our base. If you want, you can put like concealer and highlighter face, but I'm just perfect like this. I'm using this LA Colors contour palette, and I like to use, the lighter shades to just powder my foundation, and the darker ones to use as my contour. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows. So I actually use my hair is a mess. Whatever, Deepali, nobody cares. I'm just going in with the 24K Nudes Maybelline New York's palette, and I'm gonna use this shade over here. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. So now that we're done with our brows, we are going to move to eyeshadow. So the palette that I'm using today is Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me. I think I'm gonna first start off using this color over here. So next what I'm gonna use is this color right here. I'm gonna use a different brush for it. I think the next that I'm gonna use is this color. I think we're gonna use it right in our crease. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same shade with this angular brush. I'm going to do my low waterline with it. And then I'm going to take a bigger, fluffier brush, and with whatever eyeshadow that was left on the brush, I'm just using that, and I'm just going to smudge it right here. I'm going to take this shade right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blend everything out so you don't have any harsh lines. What next I'm going to do is I'm going to use some highlighter, and I'm going to pop it right on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Baked Blush. This is in the shade Hummingbird Hype, and this is an absolutely gorgeous color. And I'm going to take some highlighter over there. I'm just going to place it on my brow bone over here. Okay, so the highlighter looks good to me. So what we're going to do next is put on some mascara and I think curl our lashes. Using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara today, and let's just put it in. just gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then we'll move to our blush and our lips. Okay, so now that we're done with our eyeshadow, we're gonna move to blush. And actually for blush, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. I was flying one time and I did not pack my makeup correctly, and so my palette broke. My mom said that I'm the most careless person in the world, and I gotta meet up to the expectation. I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm just going to smile and pop it right here. And yeah, I think it looks cute. So now we're gonna move to lips. Okay, so for my lips I'm gonna use Lakme 95. This is in the shade Rosette Motif. Okay. You know what, I think I'm gonna put like a lighter shade of pink right in the center. Yeah, I think we're done for the lips as well. What I'm gonna do next okay, so I don't know what the annoying sound is, but it's not gonna stop. So anyway, we're going to finish this look with my favorite product, that's highlighter. Okay, so I guess this is our final look, and I mean I love the pop of pink in my eyes with, you know, the highlighter. What do you think? Thanks for sticking by, and I'll see you in the next video.